Codi is a piece I'm creating for National Dance Company Wales. It's for 4 dancers, so it's a quartet. The main basis of the piece is about isolated individuals coming together to persevere through their troubles and problems in their life. The inspiration I was drawing from my own personal experience from living in Wales, being born in Zimbabwe, and living there till I was about 13. I moved to Wales. The community was amazing. Everybody supported us through quite a difficult transition with my family. And I was thinking, how can I make such current issues have a historical element? And I saw that actually the communities have been doing this and continue to do this. My visits through especially a lot of the valley towns and how strong and knit those communities are, and throughout difficulties they've managed to persevere. I was like, how can I capture that and bring it to Welsh audiences on Welsh stages? In smaller valley towns, you'd see these small communities which rely heavily on one another. Been living in London for the last few years, and I can tell you I don't even know my neighbors' names. But when I come home to Swansea, I always chat to almost the whole street. So I'm trying to capture the beauty of the Welsh people and how they really are one country, one nation. And I'm trying to break the barriers of these thin lines that we place between each other.